Motorcar Nut here today. A little quick video on what a used head gasket, a good one, looks like. We talk all about bad head gaskets, they're blown, but what does an actual good one look like? I'm going to use this example of this head. This is a GM head. This one had a problem. In other words, I knew the head gasket was good. It had a problem with the valve. You see that? It burnt right through. It had a dead misfire on number 4. You can watch my videos on how I diagnosed that and how I took this engine apart to get to this point right now. Okay, so you can check out those videos and other ones. So getting back to this now. Most of the time when if you overheat the engine, you're going to blow the head gasket. There's a lot of reasons. Corrosion can blow the head gasket, but if you take yours off and you're looking at it and you really, you don't understand, like, it's not like a clear, like blown through, ripped through, what's a good head gasket look like when it's used? Well, this is a good example. You see? Now, all the channels over here where they put this little raised sealant, right? It's dirty, but it's all still visible around all the bolt holes, around the cylinders. It's all still visible, okay? You don't see any blow by. You would see this would be black, or sometimes it's even, burnt open. You don't see that here. Here, all the circles are nice and clean. You see that? The other side, you see, you don't see any burn throughs. Usually it's in between 1 or 2 cylinders here. Everything looks good. You still see the gasket sealer that they put on from the factory, all intact. It actually, if this was clean, it would actually look like a new one. So like I show you a lot of times, the burnt one, what it looks like, you'll see like the piece of metal just gone. Or if it's warped, you'll see carbon traces. Then you know that the cylinder head is warped or the block is warped and the gasket blew. But this is just a quick one to show you what actually a good one looks like, but it's used. Usually I show you a good one, it's a brand new one. But this has almost 95,000 miles on it. And if that valve didn't burn, this car probably would have went for another 100,000. All right, guys. Just a quick examination of what a good used head gasket looks like. So when you're doing a job and you thought it was the head gasket and it looks like this, then you're going to probably have a problem somewhere else, because it's not the head gasket. Maybe there's a crack somewhere. If there's a crack in the head or the block, the head gasket is not going to show any signs of it. So just another little, diagnostic tip to know what you're looking for when you're doing that type of job. All right, guys, Motorcar Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below, and I'll get back to all my subscribers and all my viewers, all right? Thanks for watching.